Okay, good morning students. So last class discuss the topic is what is the work and energy and power. So how to define the work? So work equation. So that is the W is equal to F into S cos theta. And what is the energy? So energy is means capacity to do work is called as a energy. And so power, what is the power? So power, the rate of doing is called as a power. Okay. So now the energy is mechanical, is converted or classified in the two types. So potential energy and kinetic energy. So what is the potential energy and what is the kinetic energy? So the potential energy, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or state is called as a potential energy. So the equation, that equation is mgh. M is the mass of the object, g is the gravity, h height. And similar pattern also read, that is the kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? So that is the motion of the body is taken kinetic energy. So the equation of the kinetic energy, so K dot E is equal of mv square, of mv square. And so what is the example of the potential energy and kinetic energy? So derivations are in a last class. So now today discuss the about the topic is law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. According to law of conservation of energy, so the energy is not created nor destroyed but changing one form to another form. It is not destroyed or not created but changing one form to another form. E is called as a law of conservation of energy. The total energy in the universe is constant. The total energy in the universe is constant. The energy is converting to the one form to another form only. So just like the electrical energy is converting to the light or heat energy. That is nothing but, so the energy is one form to another form. One form to another form. That is not destroyed, not created. So one form to another form is called as a conservation. Is called as a conservation. So conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Okay, clear that. So now today discuss the free falling body. Free falling body. And the meaning, so law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy is same at all points in the same path. Just like a chalk piece is a free falling body. Okay, the free falling body is dropped from certain height. So the energy is taken at any point in the path is equal. Okay, or same, that is conservative. Okay, got it. So now is taken a body of mass m. Okay, body of mass m is dropped, certain height is h above the surface of the earth. Okay, so the body of mass m is dropped, certain height h above the surface of the earth. Okay, so the body potential energy is decreased. Similarly, the kinetic energy is also increased due to the gravitational force. Due to the gravitational force. Now, A point, B point, C point. These 3 points are in a same path. Is taken in its same path. Is equal energy. Is equal energy. Now prove that. What is the total energy? Total energy is equal to the potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, so the total energy at a point A is equal potential energy to find out the potential energy and plus to find out the kinetic energy also. Also, similar pattern here also like that at a point B. So, potential energy and also find out the kinetic energy to find out the total energy at a point B. And similar pattern here also like that C point to find out the total energy. Now, first of all, case 1. So, at a point A, first of all, calculated total energy at a point A. So, total energy is equal to the potential energy plus kinetic energy. So, first of all, potential energy at a point A is equal. So, already we know that potential energy equation or formula mgh. What is the m? Mass of the object. G is gravity. H is taken height. Okay, got it. So, potential energy at a point A is mgh. M is the mass of the object is equal. G is taken gravity. H be the taken height above the surface of the earth. So, now find out the kinetic energy at a point A. At a point A is equal to of mv square but here the taken initial velocity. First of all, the body is starting with initial velocity should be taken, that is 0. Okay, so any body initial velocity is 0, so that taken v is equal to u, that is also 0. Now, substituting in the equation of m0 square, that is equal to total 0. Now, the total energy, right? The total energy at a point A is equal to potential energy at a point A plus kinetic energy at a point A is equal mgh plus 0 is equal mgh is the total energy at a point A. Right. So now case 2. Okay. So the body is reached at a point A to B. The body is reached at a point A to B. Traveling the distance is x. With velocity is v1. With velocity is v1. Above the surface of the earth, height is h minus x. Okay, clear that. So a body is dropped A point to B point. Traveling distance x. With velocity is v1. Is v1. Above the surface of the earth, h minus x. So first of all, potential energy at a point A is equal to mgh. General equation we can write mgh, but h is taken, height is taken above the surface of the earth, h minus x. Okay, so h is equal to h minus x above the surface of the earth or from the surface of the earth. Now substituting in the equation mgh minus x, that is equal mgh minus mgx. Okay. Now to find out the kinetic energy at a point B is equal. So general equation we can write of mv square but with initial velocity is traveling velocity is taken v1. Okay, now to find out the velocity of the body A point to B point. So by using the kinetic equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So initial velocity is 0. With the traveling velocity is v1 square is equal to g s is taken x distance is traveling 2gx. Now total energy at a point B is equal potential energy at a point B plus kinetic energy at a point B. Okay. So the potential energy at a point B is equal mgh minus mgx plus, okay, here taken. So mgx is v1 square is equal 2gx. So 2gx substituting equation, 2 cancel out, remaining equation mgh. Okay, so mgx. Okay, these two equations are cancelled. Remaining equation we get mgh at a point B. Okay, so now here v1 square, so 2gx substituting in the equation, so 2 cancel, so remaining equation mgx substituting in the equation, so total equation to find out the at a point B is mgh. Now similar pattern at a point C. Okay, case third at a point C. At a point C, to find out the potential energy and kinetic energy, total energy. So the ball is dropped, okay, mass of m with taken height is h above the surface of the earth with velocity is v2. Okay, so the body is reached at a point C with velocity is v2. Okay, and height is taken h. So potential energy at a point C is equal, general equation we can write mgh. Okay, so mgh, h is taken, so to reach the point C, h is height is 0. Okay, so height is 0. So the potential energy is total mgh 0. So total equation is 0. Potential energy is 0. Because so A point to reach the C point to approximately to reach the ground. So height is becomes 0. So h is equal 0 and substituting in the equation. So the potential energy at a point C is 0. Now kinetic energy. So kinetic energy at a point C. So kinetic energy at a point C is equal of m v square is the general formula of m v square. But is traveling with velocity is v2. So now we can write v2. Okay. So to find out the velocity of the body, so by using the kinetic equation, so v square minus u square is equal to 2as, but initial velocity is 0, so final velocity v2 square 2gh. Okay, so now substituting in equation, so of m 2gh, so 2 to cancel, so remaining equation mgh. Kinetic energy at a point C, mgh. Total energy. Now, total energy at a point C. Right. So, potential energy plus kinetic energy. So, potential energy is 0 plus kinetic energy is mgh. mgh. So, the total energy is mgh. Equation third. Now, here equation 2. Equation 1. Okay, now equation 1 and equation 2, equation 3. At a point A, at a point B, at a point C, the total energy mgh. The total energy is same at all points in the same path. Okay, that is nothing but energy is conservative. Energy is conservative. So that is equal mgh. Okay, got it. So now discuss the another topic is collisions. Okay, so what is the collisions? What is the one dimensional collisions? Elastic collisions. Okay, inelastic collisions on a next class. Thank you, students.